Cybertrucks are getting delivered all over California right now and into some other states. And what we've seen so far is that the majority of the owners want to go ahead and wrap their Cybertruck. They want to add some color to it. While everybody seems to love the stainless steel original look, I think we can all agree that with some of the great vinyl materials out there, especially from our friends at Nuys, when you wrap a Cybertruck, you're taking it to a whole new level. This is probably the world's first Cybertruck wrapped in Nuys Nardo Gray. This was a very popular color for us on all models Tesla over the past couple of years, and here you have it, Tesla fans, a Cybertruck in Nardo Gray. This is a very special color that originally got its popularity from Audi, who has Nardo Gray painted cars, and Nuys nailed it. One of my favorite colors, and I think it lays up beautiful. Now this film is vinyl, and it's what they call Supergloss. What I call it is super lays up to be like paint. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. Nobody does it like Nuys. There's other great films out there, but when it comes to a gloss or a pearlescent finish or even a metallic finish, I think they win. So what are your thoughts? Do you love Nardo Gray? Do you like some of the other colors that are out there? I'd love to hear some comments below. Now, getting back to what else we did to this truck, this actually belongs to a very special Tesla employee. And all of us at T-Sportline are so proud and honored that Tesla employees are actually trusting us with their Cybertrucks. So we went ahead and we wrapped it in the Nardo Gray, and then we went ahead and changed the wheels. Using the original 20-inch tire from Goodyear that actually came with the Cybertruck, we took the wheels off and put on our brand new CTM wheels. CTM Cybertruck Monoblock, one-piece forged 20-inch, accepts the original TPMS sensors, original mounting hardware, and check out this gloss black finish with the gloss Nardo, and then our floating center cap. This is very special. This is our T-Sportline logo that's kind of ghosted behind this kind of smoked out lens. You barely notice it, but just enough. And then when you're driving, it floats. Very subtle, but very clean, so that you can go ahead and appreciate this complete monoblock look. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already for so much more Cybertruck content coming your way soon.